Hey folks, it's been a day of some people seeing rain, others not. We had some pretty big stuff in Starr County to start the day. Then Harlingen, the eastern part of the valley, saw some pretty good showers earlier, but what's left from that has now cleared the island, moving out into the Gulf of Mexico and pulling it away. I say the island, not the city down here, but just the northern end of the island up by the Port Mansfield Cut. That moving away as we speak. Now we're looking to the southwest, and we showed you this top of the newscast, just a couple of green dots. Now there's some yellow embedded within that. This area, really everything off to the west, is what we're watching tonight for more development. There's a pretty good upward disturbance making its way in this direction, and it could help to trigger some more showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms tonight, so it bears watch. We're going to watch that for you. In the meantime, this is what Future Track says. It doesn't see much at all overnight. During the daytime tomorrow, it does pick up on some showers in the middle part of the valley. This is the 3 kilometer, the high resolution, but it doesn't even see those 3 dots that have shown up yet, so we're going to see how this works out. But I think there is potential for some showers and storms. The Storm Prediction Center out of Norman, Oklahoma, puts out the severe weather risk every day, and they say that for tonight we're in the marginal risk, which is the 1 on the scale of 1 to 5, so it's the low end for tonight and early tomorrow. And then for tomorrow, and again, that means isolated severe storms are possible. Isolated and possible are the key words. Not likely and not widespread, but isolated and possible. Now, if we look to tomorrow, a lot of the valley in that marginal category again, while the extreme lower valleys in the non-severe or just general thunderstorms. Yes, some thunder and lightning possible, but not expected to be severe. And then Wednesday, if anything pops up, it shouldn't go severe at all. So as we look at it, 30% chance for stuff tomorrow, and then we go dry on Wednesday. I really don't think we see anything left over. Thursday, mainly dry, probably a dry day as well, and then Friday, it all happens all over again as the next system pushes this direction. Take a look at this stuff that came in last night. Got into Starr County, then turned to the northeast. Kind of like what happened last week when stuff came down and swept through Corpus, except this was farther south, and it did clip Starr County, extreme northern Hidalgo County, and then Willacy County, a couple of showers and thunderstorms in Harlingen, that moving out. But look back to the west now. This is all the area we're watching for new stuff to develop. We're just starting to see signs of that, so that's what we're going to have to be watching for tonight and into early tomorrow. Now, the surface weather map shows a stalled front very nearby. That's a good trigger point or focal point for stuff to develop. In the upper levels of the atmosphere, there's a little disturbance sitting right back in here, and that's going to swing through tonight to work with that front to help trigger showers and storms. So we're going to have to watch and see how stuff pans out. Dry line to the north, that'll be the focal point for storm development in West Texas for the next couple of days, but ultimately the dry line kind of fades as it moves eastward. Another front moves into the state. That front dies. Then finally this next one comes down. That one's probably going to stall very near the valley Friday and be with us into Saturday and Sunday. And if it stalls, that means that, again, it's the focal point for shower and thunderstorm development. So the chance of rain comes back into the forecast just in time for the weekend once again. Whether it'll be widespread or isolated, that's still yet to be determined. Temperature-wise, here's where we are right now. We're all in the 80s as we speak. Overnight, we'll drop into the mid-70s. With isolated showers and thunderstorms, and tomorrow temperatures should climb back up in the upper 80s and low 90s with an isolated shower or thunderstorm possible once again. Quick check of the next 3 days. 88's the norm. We should be above that as that chance to rain kind of works its way out of the forecast. So your first 1 5 AccuWeather forecast for tonight. Mostly cloudy with a spotty shower, thunder shower, or even thunderstorm. 75 for a low. Then tomorrow we're back to 89. Mostly cloudy skies. A shower, thunderstorm in a few spots right now. Our chance stands at 30% for tomorrow. Wednesday, Thursday, both should be mainly dry days. Temperatures warm up with that. And then Friday, Saturday, the chance of showers and thunderstorms works their way back into the forecast. And with that, temperatures a little cooler by day and still rather humid by night. That's your updated first 1 5 AccuWeather forecast.